I take my dog for a walk. She volunteers at a local charity. He fixes a broken chair. We go to the movies on Friday nights. They play soccer in the park. The sun sets in a beautiful array of colors. The birds build nests in the trees. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher gives a pop quiz. My sister plays the guitar. I practice my basketball skills. She cooks dinner for her family. He listens to music while working. We visit our relatives during holidays. They enjoy gardening in their backyard. The river flows peacefully. The waves crash against the shore. The plane takes off smoothly. My parents believe in me. The cat hides under the bed. I watch a documentary on television. She takes a yoga class. He fixes a leaky roof. We go on a road trip. They organize a game night. The sun provides warmth and light. The birds build nests with twigs. The baby coos and babbles. The teacher writes on the blackboard. My sister studies astronomy. I eat fruits and vegetables for a healthy diet. She practices her singing voice. He designs websites for clients. We go swimming in the lake. They practice their dance moves. The rain nourishes the plants. The wind blows through the open window. The train chugs along the tracks. My brother plays the piano. The children help each other. I write in my journal every night. She takes the train to work. He meets his friends for lunch. We watch a movie at the theater. They go camping in the mountains. The moonlight illuminates the night. The stars sparkle in the dark sky. The computer freezes and needs to be restarted. My friend shares her secrets with me. The baby claps her hands in delight.